What's up, good people of the world? I am walking through the Glynn Tarra estates. This is a community in the western side of Leesburg. It's got some huge homes. Average price point here, or the current market value around here, is around $800,000. This is a part of Leesburg that is very experience oriented, experience driven. It's great for families. It's great for weekends away. You've got the Freedom Center Trail, which is right over there, which also has a disc golf course across the trail. You've got Morven Park, which is down the road. You've got Routes 657, where you can get some pretty dope. It's a market and a cafe as well. You've got Vanish Brewery. There's so much around here. I just want to show you a part of Leesburg that I really enjoy. My family really enjoys. So let's walk around. The views here are incredible. Just can't put a price on it. Can, but you can't beat it. Take a look at this. Glynn Tarra is near Luckett's. I mean, it's like really right on the line. You get on 15 and turn left, and you're literally right at Luckett's. Cool thing, so right here, the Luckett's Community Center. Used to come here a bunch when I was in college, and right behind me, right there is the Luckett's Antique Store. Here's right next to the antique store. You usually have like farmers markets, and people come up. Vendors have, all sorts of things that they sell. Produce. There's antiques, furniture, all sorts of stuff. I played a gig here with my friend Adam Bruno and some other dudes way back in the days. It's been a while since I've been back to one of their events, but like I said, this is a very family-friendly community part of Leesburg. Leesburg's all family-friendly. This one especially, because you get to do a ton of stuff outside all year long. That's one of the cool things, is you get this small town, well, like farm suburb feel, and then just 10 minutes down you get downtown. You got shops, you got food, you got the activity, you got the it's actually got a nightlife, believe it or not. So let's just walk around. Well, you know what, I'm gonna just show you a video I took a while back. Go ahead and watch that. Parked up, and I'm about to be heading to one of my favorite cafes, coffee shops. Why do I call it cafe? Coffee shop. Trinity House Cafe. That's what I call it, cafe. So Trinity House Cafe is right on the corner of East Market and Church Street. Super cool. Coffee, good people, books, all good. Gonna be heading there. Gonna get some lunch and close some of these deals, some of these $1 million deals. Let's get it.